Hey guys, Casey here with FarmHacker.com, and today I want to show you how to till your garden using pigs. We had an area on our farm where we wanted to put a new garden. There had never been a garden there before, so we decided to till it up before using it. One of the things we try to do on our farm is to let nature work so we don't have to. And with that in mind, we decided to let our pigs till our garden for us. The first thing we did is we put our chickens in this area for about a month so they could fertilize it for us first. After that, we used our pigs to till our garden for only about a week, and this is the result of that. And here are a few close-up pictures of what it looked like right when they finished. They did a great job tilling it up. So over here we have them on an additional garden area, and they are currently in the process of tilling that one up too. The type of pigs we use for this are American guinea hogs. If you aren't familiar with that breed, they are smaller than other pigs and are great at gaining weight just from foraging. You can also see in this garden area that I added 2 recently weaned piglets from a different breed. So if you're wanting to do this, you'll need to set up a few things for your pigs. Since this was a temporary setup, you'll notice in the background I used a car hood and some straw bales for their shelter. You can really get creative here. To keep the pigs in, we actually used electric poultry netting, but you can use whatever you want as long as it keeps them in and focused on tilling up the area. We are big fans of wood chip gardening on our farm, so after the pigs are done, we're going to cover it all with manure, compost, and finally, lots of wood chips. My favorite Joel Salatin quote about pigs is that pigs have a plow in the front and a manure spreader in the back. We definitely took advantage of those unique characteristics and were able to let the pigs do the work for us so we didn't have to. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you like this video, please check the description below for links to items we may have used, as well as a link to our website, FarmHacker.com, where you'll find more awesome stuff like this. Also, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified as soon as there are new videos posted. Thanks for watching.